I once read the difference between dogs and humans is dogs can't fake love. Isn't it true? Yes, they give us love unconditionally. They accept us without judgment, give affection without any expectations, and they forgive us without even us asking for it. But what about us, humans? Our love is transactional. We believe in the policy of give and take. We judge people, we keep scores of the wrongs done to us, and often plot revenge. Forgiveness is virtually unknown to us. How I wish all of us could be like the dogs. No judgment, no expectation, no grudges, no revenge, just pure love and loyalty.